Hello everyone, I'm Simit from Kai Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to recover temporarily banned Instagram account. If you are watching this, chances are you are encountering a temporary ban on your Instagram account. And there's no need to worry though, as there are a lot of people who go through this prohibition from Instagram. Basically, social media networks like Instagram keep strict user policies so that every user continues to have a good experience. However, it may happen that your seemingly normal activities raise a red flag and then next thing you know you are banned from the site. And now I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about temporarily banned Instagram account, why some accounts get banned and how to recover from it, and also the things you shouldn't be doing to avoid being banned again. Let's get right onto it. How to tell if you've been banned on Instagram. It's pretty simple and straightforward to tell if you've been banned on Instagram. If you're reading a message that looks something like the image just next to me, consider your account to be banned. And you'll also know when you're unable to perform certain actions like uploading photo, like, follow, or comment, you're likely being banned. And what causes an Instagram ban? Here are some of the reasons that can cause your Instagram account to get temporarily banned. And you can just see if you can relate to any of these activities. The first thing is mass following and unfollowing people. It is quite likely that if you follow people, they will follow you back. However, mass following and unfollowing people in a short period of time may get you into trouble. The reason behind it is that such a behavior makes you look like a typical Instagram bot causing the platform to ban your account. And the second thing is liking and unliking photos too fast. On Instagram, it is quite normal to like 3 to 5 photos in a minute, but liking a good number of photos, around 100 in a minute, makes your account suspicious. As such an activity can only be associated with a bot, resultantly Instagram would probably ban you. And third thing is using third-party apps. There are many third-party apps out there that come with many lucrative offers to improve your Instagram account's position. And these apps can help you gain a lot of followers, auto-comment on other people's photos to gain more exposure or followers, but all of this comes with a great consequence. Using a third-party app for all these actions on Instagram means you are following a certain pattern, and as Instagram's algorithm is smart enough to detect these activities, and your account will most likely be banned. And the other reason, commenting too fast. Commenting on photos is a good way to give more exposure to your own account. However, commenting too quickly on too many photos or using a third-party app to do so can lead your account to a temporary ban on Instagram. And posting similar comments. Yet another reason for causing Instagram to ban your account is by posting similar or same comments multiple times on people's photos. Here too, a third-party app can lead you into trouble as they post generic comments on people's photos that are similar to each other and are mostly not related to the photos. And how long does a temporary ban last? If it's your first time facing a temporary ban on Instagram, you may be wondering how long would it last. Well, it depends on how many times you've been banned and what you did that triggered the ban. Usually, the duration of a temporary Instagram ban ranges from 5 hours to 48 hours. The duration of ban also depends on your follow-up actions. If you would continue doing the wrong actions, the ban may prolong. So if it's your first time with a temporary ban, you better start behaving. Can you get banned on Instagram permanently? The risk of getting permanently banned depends on your activities after the temporary ban. If you keep spamming, mass following, and unfollow, and continue to post too many random comments on people's photos, you may end up getting a permanent ban on your Instagram account. And how to recover from Instagram temporarily ban? There are a couple of things you can do to recover your temporarily banned account on Instagram and continue with your activities like before. At first, report to Instagram. If you have been mistakenly doing something that caused a temporary ban on your Instagram account, you can report your case to the administration clicking the Tell Us or Report option. The second thing, stop for 2 days and resume on the third. As a cautionary measure, you should stop all actions for at least 2 days. By that I mean no liking, commenting, following or unfollowing, though you can continue browsing Instagram. On the third day, resume using Instagram with normal activities, avoiding anything that would make you look like a bot, and like and comment only a couple of photos a day, and even try uploading a photo to see if things are working fine. And how to avoid being banned by Instagram in the future. Following are a couple of things you can do to avoid the inconvenience of getting your Instagram account banned. The first thing is uninstall any third-party apps. As I've mentioned above, third-party apps that offer to promote your Instagram account actually cause more harm than good. So as a first step, you should immediately stop using the third-party apps if you're using any. In reality, if you want to attract authentic traffic and genuine users to your account, it's best to promote your account manually. The second thing is linking Instagram with other social networks. It's a good idea to link your Instagram account with your other social media account. In case Instagram considers your account suspicious, linking to other social networks would make you seem more legit. And to link Instagram with other social networks, you need to at first just go to settings and then under options go into for privacy and security and then linked accounts and link to as many social networks as possible. And then complete your Instagram profile. The first thing any social network checks about a suspicious account is the profile. The more complete the profile, the more authentic the user is considered. And take a look at your Instagram profile and fill out if there is anything missing there. And the last thing is behave. Last but not least, stop abusing or spamming the system. Like, follow, and comment in an orderly manner with at least 10 seconds in between your actions. And this would distinguish you from a spammer or a bot, and you'll be able to continue your experience with Instagram without any risk of getting banned. And I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.